This feels good right here.
Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. And in today's video I thought I would show you what is inside a Because race car box. So here is the box. Okay, I'll open it up and show you what you will find inside on a typical box. So this is actually a sneak preview of this month's box, so it's the September box. So spoiler alert if you're yet to get yours and you don't want to know what's in the box. So the first thing in this month's box is a suede applicator pad. So I'll take it out of its packaging so you guys can have a little look. This is really thick quality, so if you see, it's really dense. It's got a really good little hand bit there, so what you do is you would just pop your hand in, so it fits on, you don't kind of drop it, and it's really easy. And then say that was your surface, you would just buff like that. Okay, so I'll just pop that there. Next up is a bit of health and safety, but also very useful and always good to have in your toolbox in your garage. Black nitrile gloves. These are really good quality, really nice and thick as well, if you can see that. Really important to use for sort of anything that could be sort of corrosive, anything like that. Iron fallout moves and things like that. Make sure you're always wearing these, highly recommended. So the first actual detailing product itself is by Auto Perfection, and it is their dashing interior dressing. So I'll just show you that there. Okay, and this one's an easy one. All you do is you just remove the clip from here, okay, and you would just spray it onto the surface or onto a clean microfiber, and you would just buff the interior to your sort of desired thing. I love the fact that it's got like a purple theme going on as well. It's really cool, so that's a really good product there. Okay, the next product up is exclusively for Because RacecarBox. It's by Alien Magic and it's their diamond glass cleaner. So again, I'll let you guys see that. I'll turn it to the side so you can have a little read. Okay, really good generous size bottle as well. It's the 100ml, but obviously as a glass cleaner you're really not using too much. All you do is you just popping off the cap. You're spraying it either directly onto the surface or onto a microfiber or onto a pad, up to kind of how you use it, and obviously just buff it. If you have got any kind of leftover stuff, it is smith free, but if you have got any leftover, just get another clean microfiber and then just buff away the excess. Okay, so next up is a really great brand and a really cool product. It is the Dodo Juice Born to be Mild pH neutral shampoo. So lovely bright purple. And I'll show you that. So this is a really fab one. Their branding's really good. I think a lot of people know Dodo Juice. This product itself has won quite a lot of awards. And again, it's a really generous size. It's 100ml, so you'll get quite a few washes out of this. You don't need to use a lot of product at all. Their description is good. It's mild thing, you make my car bling, which is quite funny. And a really recommended product there. Next up then, guys, is the Spray Wax by Polished Pigs. A really nice generous 250ml bottle here, so this will last you absolutely ages. Really good quality, and really kind of great to have in the box as such a big product. You could use this if you wanted to. This could go quite well with it. Completely up to you kind of how you use the spray wax. Just make sure you shake it up well, and then just flick that there and you just spray it onto the product. I'll show you that again. Okay, there is more. Next up, to go alongside the Polished Pigs spray wax, you have got the Polished Pigs air freshener. Okay, it's quite a cute little pig thing, it's just their logo there. The smell of this is watermelon. If any of you got the Dude I Almost Had You Paul Walker air freshener from Because RacecarBox. It was in previous months. It's also on sale on the website at the moment. That's also the same watermelon smell. Really strong, stays around for ages. Actually one of my favourite air freshener smells. So that's a really good one to have, really worthwhile. So finally in the box is the Because RacecarBox detailing ones. So I'll show you these. These are so handy. We use them for sort of just really getting in gaps of things, so around badges, anything else, any of the small areas that actually you kind of really can't get your nails into when you're cleaning, if you really want to have a proper detail. These are, if I get them out, there's two different types. You've got this one here, which is kind of like a softer rounded head, both double-sided, and you've got this one here which has just got the 1 point on it. I don't know if you can see that there, you've got the 1 point on it, but the plastic goes all the way up into the tip so it doesn't bend, so you've really got a real solid base there just to really get in with the fine details there. So there's quite a lot in there as well, again that will last you ages. So that is the box. What I will do now is kind of show you a bit more detail, a bit of a pan of what's in the box. So guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching the BecauseRacecarBox unboxing video. Make sure that if you want to subscribe, want to get a one-off box, or want to get any accessories, head to the website www.BecauseRacecarBox.com. Have a look around. If you're unsure about prices, it's $19.99 for a one-off box, so that's if you don't want to subscribe but you just kind of want to have a little see about whether you like the box or anything like that. And if you do want to subscribe, it's $16.99. You get one of these delivered to your door every month. Different products, different brands each time, exclusive products as well, like the Alien Magic one. There's stuff that you kind of can't get on the market other than with us in the Because Race Car box. So that's it. If you liked the video and you enjoy my content, please do subscribe if you haven't already. Please like and comment. Make sure you comment your favourite either Because Race Car box product that you've seen before, something that's been in the box, or just generally your favourite detailing product and detailing brands. I will take a look, and if they're products that I think would be really good for the box, then I will look at getting them put into the box for you guys. So thanks again guys, and I will see you in the next video.
This feels good right here.